Okay, next we're going to highlight the Glock 34, which is Glock's competition series of guns. As you can see, it is a full-size frame on there. Some of the cool things that the 34 comes with is an extended mag release. It also does come with a extended slide release, and also does come with adjustable sights. This gun is perfect for competition shooting and has low recoil.